ladies and gentlemen, in the video today I am going to present to you a high in protein, super tasty, super healthy, quick and easy recipe which I'm sure you're going to love. You can have the chili con carne with your meals around lunch or dinner or pretty much wherever you want. And also, if you follow the same proportions of the ingredients I show in the video, then you are sorted for around 10 meals or so. Another great advantage of this recipe is that incredibly cheap to make, so if you're a bodybuilder, an athlete or simply want to eat healthy on a budget, then this is for you. So make sure you watch the whole video and give this recipe a try. So initially I wanted to also add mushrooms to this recipe, but to be honest they are not a must. So I decided to take them out in order to lower the total cost of this recipe, which you can see it comes down to £9. So the first thing you have to do is take the 2 onions, cut them in half and put one half to the side because we only need 1.5. And then slice and dice the onions in tiny little pieces. Use a large pan and a tiny bit of coconut oil just to cover the surface. Pour the onions and cook on medium heat until they get a brownish color. Once that's done, add the minced beef on top of the onions and mix very well. Also now, it's a very good idea to add about 50% of the chili con carne herbs and spices mix pack. So once the beef and the onions are decently cooked, it's time to switch things up and put everything into a bigger cooking pot. And of course, add the other remaining ingredients. Then last but not least, slice and dice the bell peppers and add them into the pot. So in a normal situation you should also get some tomato paste and 2 chilies, but because I couldn't find it, I actually got this combination. It's a tomato paste with some chilies, chopped chilies. So basically it will replace the last 2 ingredients which I said, and I'm just going to put 2, even 3, full spoons of this, and that'll be perfect. Cover it and leave it to cook on medium to low intensity, and don't forget to stir it every now and then. Would you look at that? Looks so delicious. Alright guys, so one thing I want to showcase here is that this pot of chili con carne has a lot of protein. So if we take 20 grams of protein per can of beans, and then we add 310 grams of protein which we find in 1 kg of minced beef, that brings us to a total of 350 grams of protein. I suggest you divide this whole thing to 10 portions and then you'll have 35 grams of protein per portion and it will only cost you 90p. How's that? 1 hour later and our food is finally ready! Would you look at that? All these healthy ingredients. Looks amazing, tastes amazing, and it's so damn cheap. So one of the things I recommend is keep it to cook on low heat. After that, 45 minutes to 1 hour, it should be ready. And the good thing about it is you can have this meal throughout the week because as time goes, it actually gets more tasty, yeah? So there you have it, guys. I hope you will enjoy this recipe. You will give it a try, and I'm sure it will help you quite a lot in your diet. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give the video a thumbs up. Yeah, subscribe to the channel for more fitness content, and I shall see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao!